Hello students, this is 7th class. I can say L7 on PMI. 7th lecture on Principle of Mathematical Induction. So yesterday, I think in the previous class I explained about AB whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n b to the power n, that is rule of exponent we proved using PMI. The 19th problem, for every positive integer n. What is every positive integer n? Positive integer is nothing but natural number only. When you are saying positive integer, those are nothing but natural numbers. Here he is saying that for every positive integer n means it is natural number. Prove that 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. When this given statement, this is the required statement, this is the statement I can say. Yeah, 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. If you want to prove this, you have to prove mathematically. For example, if you are saying some number 8 is divisible by 4. 8 is divisible by 4 means it can be written as 8 divided by 4. You will get what? 2. Means can I express 8 is equal to 8 is divisible by 4 means I can write this can be written as 2 into 4. Here what I can say, 8 is divisible by 2 means 2 into 4 is 8. So means nothing, when it is divisible you will get some integer. When it is divisible you will get some integer or you will get some number. When it is divisible you will get some number here, that will be 2 or whatever. When this case is divisible, I will say when this 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4 means 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is equal to some number you will get. What it is like here, when I am getting 2 here, when you are saying this 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4 means divided by 4 is equal to, we don't know 7 to the power n, 3 to the power n, we don't know n value. Without knowing n value I can't say, means I will get something. What I will get something, I will say some m is what? Some integer. M may be any number, m may be any, you can say integer. So 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n divided by 4 you will get some m. M is one particular number or any constant you can say. Okay, like this mathematical term can be proved by, I will say whenever this statement is true for divisible by 4 means I can say 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4 can be written as 4 into m. Mathematically, this statement can be written as mathematically 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is equal to 4 into m. M may be any integer, m may be any number, m may be any constant. So 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is equal to 4m. Whenever this statement is there, I will express in the 4m form. Okay, I will prove now. Yes. Read on. Let P of n be the given statement. Let P of n be the what? Given statement. Let solution case P of n be the given statement. Yes. What is P of n? P of n is here 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. Yes. Step 1. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. Once you check, I will say step 1, P of 1 is this, and 7 to the power n is what? 1 minus 3 to the power 1 is divisible. Copy this, divisible. This is how to write, divisible by 4. Listen to me, I am carrying this statement. 7 to the power 1 is what? 7 minus 3 to the power 1 minus 3, what? Is divisible. Write down, is divisible by 4. Yes. What is 7 minus 3? 4. Definitely 4 is divisible. 4 is divisible by 4 is divisible by 4. Is it every number is divisible by itself? Means that I can say P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Nothing. When a number itself is divisible, I can say that 4 is divisible by 4. So obviously P of 1 is true. This mathematical statement is like this one. It is not like LHS RHS because there is no LHS RHS term here. We are saying 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. Then now step 2. I will go for step 2. What is step 2? In the case of step 2, we will take n is a k. Step 2. Put n is equal to k. Put n is equal to k. What is the statement? P of k. Such that, what is the n? N is k. 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is divisible. Is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. When it is divisible by 4, mathematically I can express it is. In the second step, every time, this is a like procedure you follow. Every time, whenever the problems are like, you can follow it. 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is divisible by 4 means you write in the form of equation. In the case of physics, you are writing equal. When it is equal, you will take a one equality constant. That I can say is divisible by 4 means 4 into something m. Because 4 you can take here, 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k divided by 4, you will get some value, that is a m. M may be any integer, m may be any constant, where m is any constant. 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is equal to 4 m. M may be any constant, means I can say it is a, if you want you can say equation 1. I will use it in the further simplification. This is about what happened. P of k is true. P of k is true. Yes. Now, step 3. Step 3. Put n is equal to k plus 1. Yes. What is a P of k plus 1? Now, first statement, 7 to the power n is k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 4. If you want to say is divisible by 4, try to prove this is equal to 4 into something. Listen to me. When you are saying 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 4, this proved. It is not directly proved. Using this statement, you have to show that mathematically 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is equal to 4m means take a previous step. 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is divisible by 4. So mathematical term, this can be expressed as wordings is divisible by 4, or wordings can be expressed as 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is equal to 4m. Means I need to prove here whatever it is, this is equal to 4 into something I need. Something that may be any particular constant. So instead of this, I can say is equal to. Can I express this? 7 to the power k plus 1 can be written as 7 to the power k into 7. 7 to the power 1 minus 3 to the power k into 3. Listen here. 7 to the power k plus 1 can be written as 7 to the power k and 3 to the power k plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power k and 3. Listen here. If you want to prove this, I have one technique. It is not directly possible. 7 to the power k is not common. If it is 7 minus 3, if 7 to the power k is common here, I can take 7 to the power k, 7 minus 3 will get a 4. That is not possible because 7 to the power k, 3 to the power k are different. Or else 7 is not common or 3 is not common. There is no common. There is no common means one mathematical technique. What a mathematical technique? Nothing. You have to take one term. You choose one of the thing here. You can choose any one thing. 7 to the power k or 7. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 7 to the power k ರೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. When you are choosing 7 to the power k, don't choose 7, you choose 3. Means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅವ 7 to the power k ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ 7 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ 3 to the power k ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಅದ. It's a mathematical technique. Using this we have to prove is equal to 4 into something. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 to the power k ಅದ 7 ಅದ. 7 to the power k ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 3 to the power k ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 to the power
ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ 3 ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ 7 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 3 to the power k ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 7 to the power k. 7 to the power k collecting means I will take from this number 3 because these powers are k. One take power k, another take single number. When you are taking power k of 7 means 7 power k you take 3 means I am collecting what one term 7 to the power k I will take 7 to the power k, and from this I took 7 to the power k. Don't take 7. 3 to the power k is not necessary. I took 7 to the power k already. I will take 3 here. 3 this term you have to add and subtract. What we need to add here, if you want to prove, I will say add and subtract. Add and subtract. I will say add this term. Add and subtract 7 to the power k and 3. 7 to the power k. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 to the power k ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡು, or else 7 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 to the power k ತಗೊಂಡು. So best I am taking 7 to the power k. I am taking 3 from this. Add and subtract 7 to the power k 3 in above. In the case of above means here. What's it? 7 to the power k 7. Yes. Minus, I will subtract first. Then I will add. Minus 7 to the power k 3. 7 to the power k 3. Plus 7 to the power k this 3. What I did, subtracted, added. I kept this. I will keep this one. Minus 3 to the power k 3. See that. This will be here. Okay. And this will be here. Okay. What I did, subtracted, added. Means I can cancel these two. Means what I did, balanced. Minus 7 to the power k plus 3 plus 7 to the power k into 3. So these two subtracted, added, these I kept. In between minus I kept this here. These two are subtracted, added. This you have to concentrate. This is the very necessary step. You check these two. See the 7 to the power k into 7 I kept, minus this I subtracted, and this added easily. Then minus 3 to the power k into 3. This I kept first. What I subtracted? This term. Subtracted, added. Why? Because now in these two you check which is common, and these two which is common you check. This one. What is the common? From these two what is the common? 7 to the power k is common. 7 to the power k is common. Yes. What remains? 7 minus 3. For this reason I am doing this one. This adjustment. Plus. What is common in these two? In these two, 3 is common. 3 is common means what remains? 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k. What is this value? From equation 1 you see. From equation 1. What is 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is equal to 4m. I can say 7 to the power k. 7 minus 3 is a 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Plus 3 into this bracket is what? 4m. 4m. Where it is 4m? From equation 1. 4m is from equation 1. What is a common here? Can I say this is common? 4 is a common. 4 is a common. What is common? 4 is a common. See there. I can write here. Yes, now I will write. What is a common? 4 is common. 4 common means what remains? 4 common means 7 to the power k and plus 7 to the power k. 4 goes outside. 3m. 3m. Means can I say is equal to, this is what something. You can say some other value. I can write 4 into some value is what? This is a r you can say. What is a r? R may be anything. R is what here? Where r is a 7 to the power k, or else r, if you are getting confusion, you write r into you can write some s. 4s. S is what? Where s is what? This thing. 7 to the power k plus 3m. Means what is this is equal to
this I can say it implies that 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is equal to 4. Yes. What it implies? It implies that I can say 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible. Wordings I can express. If it is equal to 4m, it is like 7 to the power k minus 3 to the power k is divisible by 4 means is equal to 4m. I think I can write like this: 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by which number? 4. Therefore, you can say that p of k plus 1 is also true. When p of k plus 1 is also true, then you can say the given statement is true for all natural number. That you have to write. 7 to the power k plus 1 minus 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 4 because 4 into s. S is what? S is considered as a 7 to the power k plus 3 into m I am considering. 3 into m. This is the proof of this. Nothing. This is same and this is like wherever you are writing you have to express 4 into something and then you can substitute n is equal to. Try to add and subtract and then you take adjustment and subtracting, adding, take 4 common and 4 common, 4 is taking common, that whole quantity is considered as some s. Whatever it is, 4 into something I need. What it may be small bracket or it may be big bracket or it may be anything that you have to get 4 into something. 4 into something means I can say that 4 will divide this. Means 4 will divide this means 7 to the power k plus 1, 3 to the power k plus 1 is divisible by 4. This is about this problem. Once you write, once or twice you have to practice, you will come to know this step is what. This is an adjustment step. Using this step you can prove. This is about this. Now 20th problem. Prove that 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is multiple of 27. It is multiple of 27 for all n belongs to capital N. Means this is true for all natural number. It is like previous problem. Again I am taking like 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible for. Divisible is same as multiple. In the case of multiple also we are proceeding same procedure. I will say let p of n be the given statement. Right now. Let p of n be the given statement. I am not explaining again because we had done in the previous class, previous problem. P of n be the given statement. Yes, p of n be the given statement is what? 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power n is multiple of 27 for all natural numbers. Step 1. Step 1. Put n is equal to 1. In the case of n is equal to 1, p of 1. Yes. 41 to the power n minus 14 to the power 1. N is 1. Is multiple of 27. Listen to me. 41 minus 14. 41 to the power n is 41 minus 14. 41 minus 14 is how much? Is it 27? 41 daga 14 tagiri. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 27 is multiple of 27. Yes. Is it every number is multiple of itself? I can say every number is divisible by itself. Like 41 is multiple of 27 is multiple of 27. 27 is multiple of 27 means what I can say? P of 1 is 2. P of 1 is 2. Yes. Step 2. Put n is equal to k. n iddalli k substitute madri. What is n? n place is a k. P of k. Yes. 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k is multiple of 27. When it is multiple of 27, mathematically I can express it is like previous problem. 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k. 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k is equal to, it is like divisible. Whatever it is multiple or divisible, you can express mathematically. This can be written as equal to 27 is a number into some number m. M may be any constant. We can say where m is any constant. Okay, where m is any constant. So means I will call it as equation 1. I can use this later. Yes, P of k is 2. P of k is 2. It is same as like given. Wherever n is there, I replace the k. We will prove for n is equal to that k plus 1. Step 3. Put n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. What is P of k plus 1? P of k plus 1. See. This one. What is 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 is multiple of 27. Can be proved. This can be expressed as is equal to, I need to prove 27 into something. Like previous problem 4 into s or whatever it is, here 27 into something. Means like previous problem, I will simplify this. 41 to the power k into 41. Bases you can, powers you can split. 41 to the power k baribodu 41 minus 14 to the power k into 14 baribodu. Yes. 41 to the power k minus this power 1 is 41 minus 14 to the power k, 14 I kept. I said if you want to prove this, we have to take one term. That term is depend upon this. You have to the one choose mod. You choose any one. 41 to the power k choose, or you can choose 41. Better you can choose 41 to the power k. And from this you take one number. That number 14. Means what I will take? I will take 41 to the power k from this and 14 from this. This number subtract and add. Add or subtract? I will say subtract and add. Subtract and add 41 to the power k, 14 in above, in the above step. So means what happens? 41 to the power k, 41. I will subtract first. What is minus 41 to the power k, 14. Yes. And then I will add this. I am balancing 41 to the power k, 41 to the power k, 14. What we have this? Minus 14 to the power k, 14. Listen here. This thing is here. Keep in mind. This is the thing. And this will be here. Where this? This what I did? Subtracted, added. You can cancel these two. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? 41 to the power k 41 minus 14 to the power k 14. ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೀನಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? ಚೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ group and consider this another one group. What is a common from these two? This is common, no? 41 to the power k. 41 to the power k is common. Yes, 41 to the power k is common. What remains? 41 minus 14. 41 minus 14 plus. What is common? 14 is common. 14 is common. 14 common adai. 14 common andre uliteno? 41 to the power k. 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k ulittu. Yes. What happens? See, 41 to the power k. What this value? 41 ದಾಗ 14 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 27 ಉಳಿತದೆ. Yes. Plus 14. What is the value of this? This is the value from the equation 1. 41 to the power k minus 14 to the power k from the equation 1 ಏನದ ರೀ value? ಇದರ value ಏನದ? This value is equal to 27 into m. So I can say into 27 into m from equation 1. What is common here? 27. For this reason I am doing these all. 27 is common. Yes, 27. What is the common? 27. What happened? 41 to the power k plus 14 into m. Then I can say it is like 27 into this whole thing is considered as yes. What is yes here? Where s is equal to 41 to the power k plus 14 to the power m. means that this is equal to, means what it is exactly equal to, this is equal to 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 is equal to, we have 27 years. Means that 27 what it is doing here, dividing. When 27 is dividing means I can say that it is multiple. Means I can say that this thing is, this LHS thing, 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 is also multiple of 27. Therefore P of n is true for all natural numbers. Yes, this is the thing, main. Yes, according to this. In the case of step 3, 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 41 to the power k, 14 to the power k plus 1. After splitting the power, then I am subtracting and adding. While subtracting, you have to decide on the basis of either one term tagori, either one term tagori. 14 to the power 41 to the power k tagonini, either number tagonini 14. Adu subtract add madini. Subtract add. After this simplification, common term, then 27. This replacing 27. 27 I took. Ultimately, ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 27 into something ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ 27 ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಭೀ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. 27 into something you have to prove. When you are saying 27 into something, then you proved like this, 41 to the power k plus 1 minus 14 to the power k plus 1 is also multiple of 27. Therefore, the given statement is true for all natural numbers. This is about what? This problem. So, I will take another one. Now, 21 problem. Prove that 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11 for all natural number. This is the statement like previous. Nothing it is, you can try, but it is one little bit simplification. According to that, you can simplify. Now, prove that 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Means we have to prove like n is equal to 1, n is equal to k, n is equal to k plus 1. So, in this case, n is equal to 1, you have to prove this thing is divisible by 11. You will prove. In the case of n is equal to k, substitute n is a k. In the case of n is equal to k plus 1, you try to show that this is equal to 11 into something. 11 into whatever you can prove. 11 into some bracket you have to get. But ultimately I need 11 outside, 11 common term. Okay? I will prove as usual. Let P of n be the given statement. I will say let P of n be the given statement. Yes. Let P of n be the given statement. What is P of n? P of n is considered as 10 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Okay? Now, P of n be the given statement means this is, you can write P of n. Step 1. Step 1. Put n is equal to 1. What is P of 1? P of n is a 1. Yes. 10 to the power 2 into, what is the n? N you are taking 1 minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Yes. What happens? See, 10 to the power 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 is a 1 only, plus 1 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. So, 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is what? 11 only. 11 is divisible. 11 is divisible by 11 only. 11 is divisible by 11 itself. Therefore, I can say P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. A number itself is divisible by, okay. So, 11 is divisible by 11. It is proved. Now, step 2. Put n is equal to k. When you are taking n is equal to k, I will prove P of k. P of k. So, now n is 10 to the power 2n. 2n is 2k minus 1 plus 1 Is it C? Is divisible by 11. Yes. This mathematically I can write. This mathematically I can express 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11 into something m. 11 into something. I will call it as equation 1. Means I can prove this P of k is true. P of k is true. I will use this result in the next case. What is this? It is this result I am using. Yes. Mathematically. Wordings can be expressed as mathematically 2k minus 1. 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1. Now see. Step 3. Put n is equal to k plus 1. Listen here. P of k plus 1. What is 10 to the power n? 2. N is what? K plus 1 minus 1 here. Yes. N is k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, I am saying it is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 means I need to show that this is equal to 11 into something. For that reason I will multiply 10 to the power 2 into k, 2k, 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 1. Yes. Plus 1 here. Yeah. This can be written as, can I write 10 to the power 2k, don't write 2 minus 1 is plus 1. That is correct, but the required form means I need to adjustment. This you have to consider it. 2k, 2 minus 1 instead of writing, I will write minus 1 here. Minus 1. First, this last minus 1 I will write here, power case in the power. Plus 2 I will write here. Yes. Plus 2. Nothing is different here. 2k I kept 2k plus 2 instead of plus 2 last burden. Minus 1 I kept first because I need 10 to the power 2k minus 1 form. For that reason. Plus 1 here. Yes. Can I split this? This is one term. This is another term. Means I can express it is like 10 to the power 2k minus 1 into 10 square. This can be written as square of this and this can be written. Yes. 10 to the power 2k minus 1 into 10 to the power 2. 10 is a base same. 2k minus 1 plus 2 is added like. Plus 1 I will keep here. Plus 1 plus 1. Yeah. Can I write it is like 10 to the power 2k minus 1. Yes. Can I write 10 square is like 100. 100 I can. Yes. Plus 1 can be written as 100 minus 99. This is adjustment. This is adjustment. Follow this adjustment. Because I need to get 11 common. For that reason I am doing this all. 10 to the power 2k minus 1. 10 square I kept plus 1. So 10 square can be written as 100. Plus 1 can be written as 100 minus 99 is 1 only. Because I can take 100 common. Whenever taking 100 common, that you can get, or you can say from these to 100 common. So means what I will get, see, listen here. Can I say 100 is common? 100 is common from these two. 100 is common means what remains? 100 into 10 to the power 2k minus 1. This 100 goes. This 100 goes means plus 1 here. Minus 99 here. What happened this? See. From equation 1, see, 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 to the power 2k minus 1. 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1. Is it, can I write, this can be written as this one. Is it? 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. Means I will write this here is equal to, this I can write 100. Yes, 100. What it is? This from equation 1. From equation 1, 11m. Yes, 11m. 11m minus 99. Yes. From equation 1. This can be expressed as
10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1. This is because 10 I took common. 10 common ತೊಗೊಂಡು 10 to the power 2k minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿದು 100 ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು 100 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತು minus 99 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು minus 99 I kept last. This can be expressed as 11 into what? M. So now
Can I say this 11 into 100 m? Multiply these three. Minus 99 can be written as 11 into 9. Yes. What is common these two? 11 is common. Required thing is also 11. 11 common. What remains? 100m minus 9. What I want here? This I can say 11 into something is what? Yes. What is yes? Where S is. Where S is. S may be anything. S is equal to this thing. 100m minus 9. Means it implies that what we proved? 10 to the power 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11 into something else. It implies that 10 to the power 2 into n is a k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. Is divisible by 11. It implies that you can say p of k plus 1 is also true. Is true. This is true means this statement is true for all natural numbers. This statement is true for all natural numbers. So this is about a 21st problem. Okay, this is 10 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 11m. P of k is true. Then I took this step 3, put n is equal to k plus 1 wherever n is there k. 2k plus 2 minus 1, 2k minus 1 I need required form, plus 2 I kept plus 1. This I took here 10 square 1 and then 2 to the 10 to the power 2k minus 1. 10 square is 100. 1 can be written as 100 minus 99. Because we are taking some a little bit adjustment, this problem you have to follow. What I am taking you have to follow like same, and once or twice you can practice, you will come to know very clearly. Then later that simplification you can come to know easily. Once or twice you can practice, you will get it. Okay, this is about this 7th class. So I will take one more class last, that will be another 1 or 2 problems, and I will take some CET tricks in the next class. Thank you.